Today we're showing you how to install the Tusk seat cargo rack kit on your Polaris RZR XP1000. This is a great way to carry extra cargo with you on your overland adventure or even a day trip. So with that being said, it's real simple to install. Let's get started. Over at the bench, we want to prep the cargo rack. Now there's two kits available. One comes with a new seat base, the other one does not, and you're going to have to remove your current seat base off of the seat that you just removed. In either case, when you set this in place, you want to make sure that the latch is next to the cutout in the cargo rack, and then we have the bottom facing up. Next, we have the 4 bolts and washers. We're going to install those into all 4 mounting locations, and we're going to leave all of these loose enough that we can adjust the seat base. Once we have it adjusted, we'll tighten everything up. So you can see I've got that to where it's just barely kind of hard to move. Now we can take this over to the machine. Now over at the machine, we can clip this in place. Make sure you get the 2 tabs on the hook in the front and clip the latch in the back. Adjust that cargo rack for the best fitment. And then we're going to remove the whole cargo assembly. We're going to bring it back over to the bench and be careful to not hit that seat base. So with the rack in the correct position, we can go ahead and tighten down the hardware. And then we can simply reinstall it back into the machine. So that's it for installing the Tusk seat cargo rack kit on your Polaris RZR XP1000. If you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. And if you need to pick one of these up for your machine, click the link in the description below. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.